Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn alphabets and some vocabulary part. So let's start the class. हम अभी स्टार्ट करेंगे आज अल्फ़ाबेट से. Les alphabet. In French also there are 26 letters. Okay, so let's learn the pronunciation of each letter. A. I'm writing. You can learn A, B, C, D, U, F, G, H, E, G, J, H double E. So we call J as G. G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W is called as W. W. Then X. X. Y we call it as Y. Y and Z. Okay, so learn its pronunciation. Now let's go to vocabulary part. Hi. Salut. For hello or good morning you can say bonjour. Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night, bonne nuit. For Mr. we use Monsieur. Mrs. Madame. For Miss, Mademoiselle. Pleased to meet you. So we'll call it as enchanté. How are you? Comment allez-vous? Fine. Ça va. Well or very well. We use bien or très bien. Goodbye, au revoir. See you soon, à bientôt. See you tomorrow, à demain. Thank you, merci. It's my pleasure. Je vous en prie. Désolé. Désolé means sorry. S'il vous plaît, if you please. So I hope इतना आपको समझ में आ गया होगा vocabulary part and pronunciation of alphabets. So next class में हम next topic करेंगे. Okay, so till then bye bye. जितना अभी आपने किया है इसको थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लो and see you in the next class. Happy learning.